Again, I'm repeating, this is page number 1111 of your math course book. Open that page, write date and class work. Yes. So we'll start now. So what we have to do is, here in your first question, we have to put a tick in front of the word which is related to multiplication. Okay. What we have to do in question number 1, we have to put a tick in front of the number which is related to multiplication. We have to put a tick mark. And if that word is not related to multiplication, what we'll do, we'll put a cross in front of that. We'll put a cross in front of that. Okay. Again, I'm repeating what we have to do. We have to put a tick mark in front of the word which is related to multiplication in your question number 1. And if that word is not related to multiplication, we'll put a cross. Okay, we'll put a cross. And I'll repeat that this is page number 11 of your math course book. 1111 of your math course book. Okay, fine. So now we'll start reading the word one by one. Okay, Akshaya Lakshmi, you read what is the first word. In question number 1, what is this first word? Pathan, come back.
Total.
Yes, read this word, Akshaya. Total. What is this?
Total.
Total. Okay. So now, Akshaya, tell me, total word is related to multiplication or not?
No.
Huh? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, Akshaya, I'm waiting.
Equal. False.
What are you saying? Yes or no?
No.
No. Yes, that's correct. This total word is not related to multiplication. It is related to addition. Okay, so we will put a cross here. So children, put a cross in first bit. Put a cross there. Okay, now next. Meghna, you read second word. What is that word in bit B? Times. What is that? Meghna, you are not at all audible.
డేట్ రబ్ చేసి మంచిగా రాయి 25/20/20 అయింది.
Meghna, what is that word? Tell me quickly.
రబ్ చేయి.
Times.
Times. Tell me this word is related to multiplication or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So times word is related to multiplication. So we will put our tick mark here. You have to put a correct tick. I am using cursor, that's why I am unable to make it properly. Okay. Now next word. Now you have to read the word, third word. Okay. Anik Sai, you read next word. Unmute yourself, Anik. Anik Sai, unmute yourself. Lohit, you read third word. Groups. What is that?
Groups.
Groups. Then OF.
Groups of.
Groups of. Very good. So now tell me whether this word is related to multiplication or not. Tell me quickly. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Groups of is related to multiplication. So we'll put a tick here. Very good. Now next. Kushal, you read next word. Fourth one. What is that? PLUS.
PLUS. Wrong, ma'am.
Plus. Tell me plus is related to multiplication.
No, ma'am.
See children, whenever we are doing multiplication, when I started teaching this topic, I told you that repeated addition means multiplication, right? So in that sense, this plus is also related to multiplication because we are using this plus symbol while we are doing repeated addition. Okay, so this is related to multiplication. Tanishka, next fifth word, M-O-R-E. What is that?
More, ma'am.
More. So is it related to multiplication?
No, ma'am.
Yes. So we will put a cross here. This word is not related to multiplication. We will put a cross. Okay. Aryan, read next word. P-R-O-D-U-C-T. What is that?
Product.
Very good. It's product. Now tell me, is it related to multiplication?
No, ma'am.
This is related to multiplication. Aryan, this is related to multiplication. I told you few days back, like 2-3 days back, that whatever answer we get by multiplying two numbers, that answer is known as product. Again, I'll repeat, answer of multiplication is known as product. So this word is related to multiplication. Okay, Aryan?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Again, I'm repeating, whatever answer we'll get after multiplying two numbers, that answer is known as product. Okay? Yeah. Now next word. Supratik, unmute yourself. Supratik, read the last word. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. What is that? Pathan, I'll get back to you. Yeah. Difference. Okay. So now tell me, difference is related to multiplication or not?
No, ma'am.
Very good. So difference is not related to multiplication. It is related to subtraction. So we will put a cross in front of this number. Okay. Yes, Pathan, please unmute yourself. Yes.
Ma'am, add plus D question. It is not related to multiplication. No, ma'am.
It is related to multiplication because multiplication is a repeated addition.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is related. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, children. Now, your second question. Okay, so what we have to do is, we have to, in your second question, children, on page number 11, are there? Listen carefully. What we have to do is, we have to multiply the number of cookies with the number of children. Okay, what we have to do? We have to multiply the number of cookies with the number of children. And we have to write the product in the empty box. For this, do one thing, children, take out your math notebook. Take out your notebook quickly. We will multiply them in your notebook, and then whatever answer we'll get, we'll write here in course book. Quickly take out your math notebook, children. And again, I'll repeat, product is the answer of multiplication. Quickly take out your math notebook. Okay. Okay. So now what we have to do is, again, I'll repeat, we have to multiply the number of cookies with the number of children. Okay. And then whatever answer we'll get, we'll write in your course book. Sorry, we'll write in course book. Okay. So first we'll start counting the number of cookies. How many cookies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In the first one, there are 8 cookies. Okay. And how many children are there? We'll start counting the number of children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so there are 8 cookies. There are 8 cookies and 20 children. Fine. There are 8 cookies and 20 children. So what we'll do now, look here. Yes, children, I'm writing here. Okay, so there are 8 cookies. I'm just writing it. And do not write this in your notebook now. When I'll tell you at that time, you should write in your notebook. Don't write it now. Okay. So we counted that there are 8 cookies and 20 children. There are 8 cookies and 20 children. Now what we'll do, we will not write it like this. See here, children, we will not write it like this, that we'll write 8 first and then below we'll write 20 and then we'll put a multiplication symbol here. Okay, we will not do it in this way because till now I have not taught you how to multiply in this way. Okay, so we'll not multiply them because it is like multiplying a 2-digit number with a 1-digit number, right? So now what we'll do, instead of writing 8 first, we will write 20 first. Okay, because I'll be teaching you how to do multiplication in this way today. So what we'll do, we'll write the biggest 2-digit number first. Okay, so we'll write here 20, and children, in one box you will write only one number. So you will write 2 in one box and 0 in other box. Okay, so and below this 0 you will write here 8. Okay, why we are doing this? And do one thing, above this 0 write here O stands for ones, and above this 2 write here T. This T stands for tens. Okay, what I said, first we'll write a 2-digit number and then we'll write a 1-digit number. So 2020 is a 2-digit number, so we are writing it first, and below we are writing 8. Okay, because 8 is a 1-digit number. And then what we'll do, see here children, now beside this 8 we will put a multiplication symbol, but we will write this multiplication symbol in a separate box. Okay, it should not be below 2. You should not write this below 2. You should write that multiplication in a separate box. Okay, yes, Dhriti, ready?
Ma'am, page number.
Yeah, Dhriti, this is page number 11, question number 2, and we are solving this question in your notebook, and then we'll write answer in course book. Okay, take out your notebook also and open page number 11 of your course book. Okay, so now we'll start multiplying. Now children, listen carefully how you will multiply. What we'll do first, whatever number is there beside multiplication symbol, we will recall that numbers table. Okay, so beside this multiplication symbol, number is 8. So what we'll do, we will recall table of 8. Okay, so now tell me, 8 zeros are how much? We know that whenever we are multiplying 0 with any number, we'll get 0. So 8 zeros are 0. 8 zeros are 0. So we will write here 0. AVK Ganesh, are you writing? AVK Ganesh, start writing. Now next. Now we will multiply this 8 with, yes Aslan?
Ma'am, should we write that?
Yeah. Now you can start writing in your math notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. Children, start writing this in your math notebook now. Okay, so what we'll do, first we will multiply this 8 with the number in ones place. Then we will multiply this 8 with the number in tens place. So now we'll recall table of 8 how many times? 2 times. Why we are recalling it 2 times? Because the number in tens place is 2. So we'll say now we will recall table of 8. Now 8 twos are how much? Advaita, you tell me 8 twos are how much? 8 twos are
Wait, ma'am, I'll tell. Ma'am, can I start from first? Then I
Yeah, please.
will. Ma'am, six,
Yes, please.
six,
6. No.
16.
Yeah. 8 twos are 16. Advaita, start learning tables. Daily I am telling you. 8 twos are 16 children. So what we'll do? We will write this 6 in tens place. 8 twos are 1, 6, 16. We will write 6 in tens place. And that 1 we will write below this multiplication symbol. Space is not there, so you can write there. Okay? Actually, this 1 we should write in hundreds place. Right? Do one thing, children. Erase that multiplication symbol and before that write here H. H stands for hundreds. Okay, and then below that H only you better write 1. That is better. Okay, and put this multiplication symbol in other box. Okay, so answer is 160. Answer is 160. Okay, now next. Ashrita,
Yes, ma'am.
Ashrita, count and tell me in second bit how many cookies are there quickly.
11.
11.
11 are
11.
there, ma'am.
And how many children are there?
9. 9 children are there, ma'am.
9 children are there and 11 cookies are there.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Yes, children, I hope nobody is writing, so I'm clearing all this. Okay, Ashrita, thank you. So now what we'll do, children, see here, in your book, you will write here the answer. Answer is 160, right? So in the first box, write here 160. 160. Write this answer in your book also. Okay. Now write this answer. Done? Okay. Now again we will solve this in your notebook first and then we will write in your course book. So this time number of cookies are 11 and there are 9 children. So what we'll do? We will write 11 first. We will write here 11 first because 11 is a 2-digit number. So we always write a 2-digit number first and then we'll write a 1-digit number. So children, write this. We'll write 1, 1, 11. Okay, write this in your notebook. And below this 1, we will write 9 in 1's place because 9 is a 1-digit number. And then in another box, you will put multiplication symbol. Do not put multiplication symbol in tens place. Okay? Yes. Now what we'll do? Now this time beside this multiplication symbol, number is 9. Number is 9. You all can see that beside this multiplication symbol, number is 9. So what we'll do? We'll recall 9 table. We'll recall 9 table. So first we'll multiply this 9 with the 1 which is in 1's place. So 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. So we will write 9 here in 1's place. Then again we will multiply this 9 with the number in 10's place. Now in 10's place the number is 1. So again we'll multiply this 9 with 1. So 9 ones are 9 again. Nine ones are 9. So we'll write here. We'll write here 9. So answer is 9, 9, 99. Write this Answer is 9999. Okay. Now I am clearing all this. Yes, children, I am clearing this now. Okay. Now what we have to do, we'll write this 99 in our course book. Okay. So in the first box, you will write 160. Yes, in the first box, we'll write 160 because our first answer was 160. 1, 6, 0. And in the second box, we will write here 9999. And children, remember this thing, that below this 6, exactly below this 6, you will write 9, and exactly below this 0, you will write another 9. You should write 99 like this. Now, what we have to do is, we have to add all these. Okay, what we have to do, we have to all these numbers, we have to add 160 and 99 together. Okay, we have to add 160 and 99 together. Akshaj, Akshaj. Yes, children, now we have to add 160 and 99. Kartika Nalla, you tell me 0 plus 9, how much? If you are adding 0 with any number, tell me 0 plus 9, how much? What you will get? Yes, Kartika, whenever you are adding 0 with any number, that number will not change. So now tell me 0 plus 9, how much?
Change. 9.
Yes.
రాయ్ మరి ఇక్కడ
So we'll write here 9. One
plus
more
9
box is there. We'll write here 9. Okay, now Kartika, numbers are 6 and 9. Numbers are 6 and 9. So now tell me 9 plus 6, how much? Start counting after 9 and count forward 6. Yeah, tell me.
81.
18, no. Start. Show me your 6 fingers, Kartika, quickly. Show me your 6 fingers.
15, ma'am.
Yeah, 9 plus 6 is 15. So we will write here 5. And 1 will go as carry over. We'll write this one here as carry over. Okay. Now, yes. Now P Kartika, unmute yourself. P Kartika. P Kartika, 1 plus 1, how much? Shrivas, you tell me 1 plus 1, how much? 1 plus 1. Quickly.
And 2, ma'am.
Yes, 1 plus 1 is 2. So we will write here 2. So answer is 259. Answer is 259. Children, write this answer quickly. And those who have completed, they can take out their math textbook, open page number 125. 125, 125.
శ్రీవాస్
Yes, children, take out your math textbook now. I did it mathematics. Open page number 125. Question number 2 we'll do. Fill in the blanks. I did it mathematics. Your textbook, open page number 125. Yes, we'll do question number 2 quickly. It's very easy. Write it in classwork. Again, I am repeating. This is question number 2 on page number 125 of your math textbook. Okay. Now, so now what we have to do is, here you just have to look for the missing number. right? If you look at the first bit carefully, you can see this is 4 multiplied by dash is equal to 6 multiplied by 4. So one number is missing here, right? So we have to look for that missing number. Bilvika, can you tell me in first bit which number is missing?
6, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So children, see here in your first bit it is 4 multiply dash is equal to 6 multiply 4. If you will look at the question carefully, you can see after equal to sign numbers are 6 and 4. After equal to sign numbers are 6 and 4. But before this equal to sign 6 is missing. So we will write that 6 in this blank space. So that's correct, Bilvika. Misbah? Misbah?
Yes, ma'am. Bolo.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now tell me in second bit, which number is missing? 2 multiply 3 is equal to dash multiply 2.
3 now.
Which number is missing, Misbah? See, before equal to sign, this is 2 multiplied by 3.
3.
Yes. So 3 is missing. So we will write here 3. Children write there 3 in second bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Nityasri,
Yes, ma'am.
from third bit, which number is missing? This is 3 multiply 9 is equal to 9 multiply.
9 multiply.
Yes. Which number is missing? Nitya, look at the question carefully and then see. Tell me before equal to sign, this is 3 multiplied by 9. And after equal to, this is 9 multiplied by dash. Which number is missing?
19, ma'am.
Not 18. Nitya, you were not at all paying attention. You were busy scratching your hair. Srimant? Srimant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Srimant, which number is missing from third bit? Bit C. Tell me, 3 multiply 9 is equal to 9 multiply by?
3, ma'am.
Very good. So, we'll write here 3. That's correct. Okay, now next. Jay. Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Jay, which number is missing from fourth bit? 6 multiply 2 is equal to dash multiply 6. Which number is missing?
6 multiply 2.
Is equal to dash multiply 6. Which number is missing? Tell me.
2.
Very good. 2 is missing. So we'll write here 2. Very good. That's correct. Next. Devansh. Devansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Devansh, from fifth bit E, which number is missing? Dash multiply 3 is equal to 3 multiply 5. Which number is missing? Fifth bit. 5. Very good. 5 is missing. So we will write here 5. Okay. Very good. Aslan.
Yes, ma'am.
Last bit. Bit number F. Which number is missing?
1.
1. Very good. So we'll write here 1. That's correct.
Ma'am.
Wait, Aslan, you were saying something. Okay, Aslan, I'll get back to you. Just I want to inform